Across the flooded grasslands of South America, a capybara stands almost motionless beneath the morning sun. But it is not alone. Several yellow-headed caracaras are moving cautiously across its back and around its head. With curved beaks, powerful feet, and sharp eyes, these birds have all the features of formidable predators. Yet on this occasion, the capybara is not their prey. Hidden deep within its coarse coat is a different source of food ticks and other small parasites attached firmly to the skin. One caracara steps onto the capybara's back. It tilts its head carefully, examining the fur before separating the hairs with the tip of its beak. Within seconds, the bird finds a tick, pulls it free, and quickly swallows it. The capybara remains completely calm. It appears to recognize that these visitors have not come to attack. The mammal lowers its body and holds its position, allowing the birds to reach areas that are difficult to groom, including the neck back and regions around the ears. For the caracaras, the parasites provide a protein-rich meal without the energy required to chase fast-moving prey. For the capybara, every tick removed means less irritation, reduced damage to the skin, and less blood being taken from its body. Ticks may also carry disease-causing organisms, so lowering the parasite burden may provide an important health advantage. This is an interaction in which both species benefit. But it is not a friendship in the human sense. Caracaras are highly adaptable, opportunistic feeders. They consume insects, small animals, carrion, and many other available foods. Cleaning parasites from a capybara is simply one of the many strategies that help them survive. The cooperation depends on communication without sound. The capybara's relaxed posture signals that the birds are permitted to approach. In return, the caracaras concentrate on the parasites and avoid injuring their host. For a few minutes, two very different animals gain something from the same encounter. There is no chase and no resistance, only a quiet exchange shaped by instinct, experience, and tolerance. Once the cleaning session is over, the birds move away in search of their next opportunity, and the capybara returns to its familiar life. This is the largest living rodent on Earth. An adult has a heavy body, a broad head, short legs, and almost no visible tail. Large individuals may weigh more than 50 kilograms. Capybaras inhabit much of South America, particularly flooded grasslands, marshes, riverine forests, and other habitats where permanent water is never far away. Water lies at the center of their existence. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils are positioned high on the head. This allows a capybara to see, hear, and breathe while most of its body remains safely below the surface. Small webs between the toes also help it move efficiently through water. When a jaguar puma or another predator approaches capybaras, often rush directly towards a river or wetland. Once in the water, they can swim away or hide with only the upper part of the head exposed. Their swimming ability is one of their greatest strengths. On land, however, capybaras possess no sharp claws, enormous canine teeth, or exceptional speed. Their heavy bodies and relatively short legs make them vulnerable when separated from the herd or caught too far from water. To compensate, they live in organized social groups. Many pairs of eyes can watch the surrounding landscape more effectively than one. When an individual detects danger, it may produce a short, forceful bark. Within moments, the entire group can begin moving towards the safety of the water. Capybaras mainly feed on grasses, aquatic plants, and tender leaves. They may also eat bark and fallen fruit when available. Like other rodents, their front teeth continue growing throughout life. Constant grazing wears these teeth down and prevents them from becoming excessively long. But grass contains large amounts of cellulose, a material that is difficult for mammals to digest. The capybara relies on microorganisms living within its hindgut. These microbes ferment plant material and help release nutrients that the animal could not otherwise obtain. Capybaras also practice a behavior known as secotrophy. They consume a special form of soft fecal material that contains nutrients produced during digestion. Passing this material through the digestive system again allows them to absorb additional vitamins and proteins created by their gut microorganisms. To human observers, this may seem unusual. For an animal surviving on coarse vegetation, it is a highly efficient biological strategy. Their large size can discourage some smaller predators, while their social awareness and aquatic skills provide additional protection. But these strengths do not make them invulnerable. Jaguars may ambush them near the water's edge. Caimans can attack from below the surface, while large snakes may threaten younger individuals. Even small parasites, almost invisible among the fur, can gradually weaken an animal if their numbers become too great. The capybara, therefore, survives not through a single extraordinary weapon, but through a combination of adaptations. Its body is designed for water. Its herd provides early warning. Its digestive system extracts energy from difficult food, and on rare occasions another species helps remove the parasites it cannot reach alone. The encounter with the Caracaras reveals an important truth about the natural world. Survival is not always determined by conflict. Sometimes it is shaped by tolerance and cooperation between animals that are not closely related. If you enjoy discovering the science, behavior, and hidden relationships of wild animals, subscribe to Wildlife Untold. Turn on notifications and join us for more remarkable journeys into nature. Every encounter in the wild has a story, and many of those stories are still waiting to be revealed.